Okay, so now I'm ready to make the soup. Soup is very easy too. So what I do is I first turn on the stove, and then I cut the one whole big tomato. So I'm going to put in the pot. I'll let it simmer a little bit. The reason for this is they say tomato is supposed to be fully cooked. It's more nutritious when you eat cooked than raw. That's what people say. So I'm just going to stay here for a couple minutes, I think. It need to be fully cooked. So now this tomato is fully cooked, almost like paste. So what I do is I put some water. The water is hot water. Just make it quicker, hot water. Then I put a little salt after that. We don't need too much soup. So I just put enough for us, that's all. Put some water, should be enough water. So I'm going to wait till it comes to a boil. I need to add some salt. How much? Not too much. I would say 1/4 of a teaspoon. Not too much. Okay. Some people like salt, you can put more. I don't need too much salt. Just a little bit will be fine. It's up to you. If you like salt, you put more. If you don't like salt, you put less. And now I'm going to, since it's already cooked, I'm going to put the egg drop. This is how you do an egg drop. So this is ready. This is like the egg drop soup. And then I can turn the stove off because it's done. Okay, so that's all. The soup is ready. So now I'm going to take it out, put in the bowl, and then I put in the bowl, then add all the cilantro on top, just to make it colorful, red, green, and yellow. So it's ready. That's all. This is very easy soup. So I'm ready to make a